Okay, so now that user login instructions have been given, we can move on to the other tab. So this booking module tab, I don't know much about, so I'm not going to give instructions about it. That's the same thing with the shop tab. We're not going to be having a shop, so this tab is useless. Printing module, this will show kind of the receipt data up here if you want to use that. Since we're not using money, I can't imagine that it'll be important. But this tab will show you the games that we have and whether they're allowed to be accessed or not. And so we'll look at Google Chrome for the first example. So you'll click on your Google Chrome, and you'll see that you'll give it a name and a description, and you'll show what kind of app it is, and in this case it's a browser, it's not a game. Just find a cover image. That's what I did for these. The launch method, you can do, I have the clients for these games, but in this case we just want a local access, and you want to put how each game is installed, where each application is installed. This is the path to get Chrome on all PCs, so each PC follows this same path because they're imaged. Whatever is installed on there will be the same on all of them. So that is that case. A lot of support. You want to launch, we did /incognito. That's simple to change. Just change that and it's no longer incognito. And then you allow which zones you want to be able to use it. You will turn on Harrison Parks. Make sure that you select this and go through and you'll save. And that's how you edit it. So it has been edited. And so there are things you can do here. You can set it as active, which right now it is inactive. Set it as inactive or set up centers. Don't actually know what that does, but currently it is grayed out, as you can see, because we are not allowing it to be displayed on the screen of the PCs when they're logged in. Right now we only want games to be displayed. So currently we have all the games except for some down here. We have the clients set up, but we don't allow them to access the clients without clicking on the game. So the game paths will take you, I'll show you a game path, for example. We'll say, because this is a game category, it will ask what launch method. Fortnite is from Epic Games, so you'll do that. Each game path will have an ID to it. So Fortnite's is simple as Fortnite's, but like some of them, like I don't remember what Rocket League is, but it's like Marshmallow or something. So look that up, simple Google. There are no launch parameters for this. And then in this case, I've created license keys for them. And this is how the users will be able to play without signing in. And so Senet has a built-in routine that allows them to click on a game and it will come to here and say that we have them signed in to user Harrison Park 13. It will connect to one of our 13 Fortnite or Epic Games accounts, and it will plug in this username. And it should go through and do all the steps, and the user shouldn't even have to press enter one time. So save that. And then get back to the thing here. Still waiting on the game updates to be allowed, but once that is fixed, you'll be able to update games from here as well. And there also, valuing, somebody changed this name. Anyways, this is one created without the license keys, or well, I guess it does have the license keys, but they don't have to have license keys enabled. The ones without the license keys enabled, I'm sorry, that's correct, yeah. This one won't have the license keys. So no license keys. This one will force the user to sign in with their own account. And if you want to create a game, you'll add it here. You'll put it in, description, not necessary. the category, your game. You'll want to find an image online, save it here, launch it from its client or a bat file or local file, and then you'll set the path. You'll want to make sure it's on support, and then you can add the license key. Not gonna do that now, but that is how you will add and remove games. And if you don't want the kids to be able to see that game, turn it off. And back on Fortnite, it's going to be allowed. So that will be the end of this video.